Hey, today we're going to talk about what year Beetle is my favorite and what year Beetle is Derek's.
You're always sanding.
What I do.
It's true.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
You're the Sandman.
Oh,
No. Speaking of the Sandman, though, so that car that we built.
Oh, yeah.
That's
65.
actually, it's going to be in the next Volksmania.
Volkswagen, yeah. So if you guys remember a while back, we did a black and Jolly Rancher green 65. I think it was the sunroof car, too.
Mm-hmm.
All custom leather interior, done in-house.
Really cool.
Really cool car. 1776, and a really cute manga, whatever that is. Some type of anime that we actually incorporated some of our skulls into on the deck lid. And
it was pretty
so
cool.
That'll be in next issue of Volksmania. Pick it up. Go to Volksamerica.com to get your subscriptions.
There you go.
They're good magazines.
It is. It is. All right. So we had a question. Actually, it's for both of you.
Uh-oh.
Wah, wah, wah. All right. Starting with you.
Okay.
What is your favorite year Beetle?
Every one of them. Okay. I personally like the 69 because it's still got some class and it's still got more of the simplistic with some upgrades on it.
Okay.
So I like the look of the early cars. As far as handling, I'm going to take my 69 because I've owned that car for 30 years.
Oh boy.
35 years. It still runs. It's up on a battery charge. I haven't driven it in a while, so I don't go anywhere.
Well, it's scary fast, too.
This is what I do right now. So. I don't drive. I just do
It's
this.
true. It's true. All right.
What about you, Dee?
How about Darren? What is your favorite?
I call little Beetle bugs.
But
67 is my birth year, so we'll go with that.
All right, me too. 67's a great year.
And there's one outside. Actually, there's one inside.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
What year's
take
Coke?
Huh?
What year's Coke?
70.
Ah, all right.
He was
just
cheap.
a sweet
That's why
young
I bought
thing.
him and rescued him. He was about to get dead.
Yeah.
Bought him.
So, wait. So you recently had a yard sale. What was the biggest attraction there?
The bug and Mr. Bauer's bus. Yeah, that's it. And any standard day, I can't go anywhere in that car, or else people.
You get mobbed.
Yeah.
Paparazzi.
He's famous. He's a little world famous little.
He's
baby
so
Coke
cute.
bug.
Yeah, a little baby Coke bug.
I parked it. I went to the store one day up to Publix, and I parked it next to the new Coke car, which are these little Kia Souls.
Cool.
So I parked it next to it. When we came out, there was a whole bunch of people around the bug and nobody around the Coke car.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
When the rep came out, I said, "That's what happened." See?
Yep. See, there you go. There you
I
go.
don't know. Maybe Coca-Cola should come talk to us about doing a car for them.
Oh, that'd be cool. We could do it.
We can do a Coke Club.
We could do it.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Let's see what else is going on in the
All
shop
right.
then.
Well, so we'll.
Oh yeah. So wait.
you see this
What
one?
were you doing? You're sanding. What are you working on? Let's get the
This is a
update.
high build cut
Totally
for Ferguson.
Fergie 2.
42. It's a 66.
Mm-hmm.
And this car had been in a rear accident years ago and also on the side. We fixed all that.
Yeah.
Had some rust. We fixed all that. And we're going to be ready for color probably next week.
Ooh.
So it depends on my paint rep. We're going to be trying a new line of paints from Exalta.
Mm-hmm.
And I still need to talk to my rep to figure out what the little tips and tricks are. Because I've learned our current paint system.
Right.
And we're going to learn some others to give other people give some of our clients a couple of different choices.
Okay, cool.
So,
How's your apprentice doing?
He's doing okay.
Ah.
He has fucking earplugs in.
He was
I think
complaining about his back the other day.
He's got earplugs in all day, so
Oh.
that means he's going to be singing and only the stuff that he can hear.
Oh, All right. That sounds
and I
fun.
have to like throw things at him.
But you're going to torture him with your music too. So.
Oh yeah, I got that full blast. Speaker will be right next to him, and we'll move it around.
That's why the headphones are in.
There.
He's actually doing pretty good. He's got a high attention
Looks
to
good.
detail.
Yes, he does.
He's just learning some of the techniques. He actually has picked up a gun, but he only shot a little bit of high build because you can't really mess that up.
Yeah, that's good.
Because most of it's coming off.
Well, it's good practice.
You can low build the high build, and then that's messed up.
Ah.
Well, no, it's just not enough.
There we
it's
go.
low
There
build.
we go. That's true.
It's called high build because it's high. If you low build it, it's no good. Nobody knows.
You can't argue with that.
Yeah, it's all in the names.
All right, let's see what else
Making
is going
stuff up,
on.
man.
I mean, that's semantics right there. We go out here.
Oh.
There's beetle bugs and stuff everywhere. So Mrs. Stevens' boss called the other day about it, and I think that she called her back. I don't know. They were supposed to, but we pulled it finally over here.
Yeah.
And started going through the mechanicals, and it's giving us a bunch of fits. It's got a bunch of wiring problems. Anyways, we're working through it. Its goal is to get it running. She bought it, and then from there they'll decide what they want to do from it. So it's a fuel injected bus, so it makes it really fun.
Oh yeah,
So,
you guys
this
love
is
that.
Mr. Johnson's little Beetle, and he went and had the motor rebuilt. We put it in. There's a couple of things we're tinkering with it, and he's going to go home here soon.
Great.
The Gagney's, we got all their stuff down. We're waiting on the clutch, and it's an old 6-volt clutch, and apparently they're hard to find in America right now. So, and Mr. Ed's trying to locate me one right now for it. So
Yeah.
we get it. We can throw the motor back in and make that car go home.
All right.
And
Ed's
we
foreign
walk
car
through here.
parts.
We got our square bag just sitting here waiting.
Nice.
Chassis, it's a beam and all that's getting built. So when it gets back, we'll build the chassis and put it back on here.
Oh my.
This is Isaiah's car, and they brought it to us. It was at another shop, and long story short, blah, 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 and they repoed it from the shop and brought it to us.
Okay.
This is the 67 you was talking about.
Yeah.
So this is 67 Beetle. So we're going to start taking it apart today. We got to go ahead on that. It's going to get blasted paint, full interior. Motor's already done. We're just going to check it.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. So it's not a full rebuild at all, but it's just a couple things.
Finishing some stuff up. People are already asking, hey, is that one for sale? I want it.
Yeah, I like the color of that one. But then this is the Mr. Zaccanini's.
All
If you look
right.
at this side of it, what we had to do is put on, he's having custom wheels made, so we had to mock up. These wheels are made by the same wheel manufacturer, so we can mock them up and get measurements for them. And so that's why it kind of looks weird. It's up on the lift, hanging all the way low, so all you people go, why is there so much gear? It's sitting up there. But
it's a mini dunk.
yeah, so we're gonna take some measures on it, get it to Paul so he can add how do you say his last name? Ozzy. I always mess that up. Ozzio's wheels.
Yeah.
So he's gonna make the wheels, but he needs the measurements so we can get it right on that. So we're gonna do that. And while the wheels are remade, his motor came back. It's on the test stand.
Oh, great.
We're gonna put the motor in. And while that's going on, he has a bunch of interior he's going to send us, and we're going to do it. So we're putting a whole new lowering front end on the Super Beetle.
Oh, wow.
So no more of this.
Top line kit.
Top line?
More like that.
Top line suspension.
Yeah. So we're going to put that on there. So that'll be coming up in the future.
Great.
We're waiting on Type 34 to get all our gear together so we can take it apart. So when we take it apart, then we have to start working on it. Because he's going to do a little bit of paint. We're going back when the original color was, his top was a brown, so we're going to do that, but we don't want to start on this till we get ready to go ripping on it. This one, we're getting closer.
Yay.
Mr. Hersher, I've been in contact with him every once in a while, and he knows we got some issues. So we're dealing with a 6-volt car, converted over to LEDs. He wants to keep 6-volt and have the semaphores working with a new harness. So it's fun.
And flashers.
And flashers. So it's
it's a Rubik's Cube.
The car didn't have turn signals at all when it was born.
Right.
So not only are we putting turn signals in it, but we're making them LED, and it's a 6-volt, 6-wire system. So each light has its own wire. Where newer cars, one wire comes up and splits, and both of these work off one. This has 6 wires. Each different turn signal has its own wire. The brake light has its own wire, and your indicator light. Those are your 6 wires. So it makes it even more fun to try to do. Anyways, so there, Mr. Park, or we'll just call it Mr. Park's daughter's car now. It is almost done. They're tinkering on the fuel injection system. We got it running, but it's just not running right.
Yeah.
So, but it's come a long ways. If you remember this thing sitting.
Oh, man. Yeah, it was kind of icky in there before.
His interior's all done. We got the top done. All we got to do is get her running right, and we're good. Jonathan's back here studying. It looks like he's in school.
Oh, boy. When's the test?
We think we actually found a rear window for this thing.
Yeah, we think we found a rear with Mr. Chirico out in Arizona, so that'd be good.
About a hand's tooth trying to find one of those.
Yeah.
But this is a fuel-injected car also, all you
Yay.
Super Beetle people. Makes it real fun. A lot of extra moving parts and pieces instead of a regular Beetle motor. So
that's true. That's true.
So we're working through all that. There's a lot of things. You know, a regular Beetle, you step on the gas pedal and it pulls a little cable and it tells it, I need gas.
Yes.
On this,
no.
It has brains that tell it maybe you'll get gas, maybe you won't, and all this other stuff. So that's real technical. I gave you technical terms there.
Oh my, yeah.
But now here we got Mr. White's bug, which we're tinkering on it. It got a whole new interior finally. We did that. We just did little things, but we're just tinkering on it. He's actually a truck driver and he's out right now, but he'll be back next week and he's gonna come get it hopefully by then.
That's awesome.
We got the Udinski's bus right there. We put the motor in, it's running and driving, and the next thing is it's going to get some paint fixes. We didn't paint it.
Right.
But we're going to fix the paint the best we can.
All right. Oh, I like the interior.
And then parked next to it's Mr. Bauer's bus.
Uh-huh.
Just getting ready to go home as soon as I fix his headlights.
All right.
The headlights hanging out. You've been driving.
Oh.
I've been driving and putting hours on. He drives like a dream.
How'd the headlight fall out?
Steers great. No, we're working on it.
Oh, okay.
It's not working. But
it didn't fall out then.
Hanging out.
Gotcha.
So.
All right.
But he's a sad little guy because his headlight doesn't work.
Aww.
That wasn't even on our scope of work, but I'm going to fix his headlight real quick if I can.
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah, he's ready to go home. I've been driving it, putting a bunch of miles on it.
Nice.
And then nothing happened to it yet. So I'm going to check Mr. St. Pierre on your motor today when Mr. Chirco calls me back.
Great.
So it's the only one that they're still building for us, so it should be coming pretty quick.
Yay.
Yeah, I would think next week or something. We hope, and then we're gonna get the old man's bus going.
There we go.
That one's for sale again.
Hey,
people,
Cuff.
so
we got you.
hopefully we'll show it running here.
That'd be great.
We got our employee here. We affectionately called J3.
Yeah, John.
Because we got 3 people with J's, so now we've just numbered them. So he is J3. When they go by the order they were hired.
Right,
so
right.
He's
so
J3.
You've got an adventure you're headed out for.
But this is last full week for a minute.
Yeah, I'll be back after 45 days. I'm headed out to Alaska next week to go work the salmon processing.
Whew,
so that'll be fun. In about 2 days worth of flights. So
yeah.
8-hour layover in Seattle is going to be absolutely wonderful, especially in the middle of the night.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nothing to do in Seattle.
Wow.
I've never been, but I can assure you that there's not going to be
coffee.
anything at 1 a.m. So
Guarantee you can get
coffee, and that's about it.
Beer,
so
probably.
that's pretty much it. And then I think one that will actually be kind of cool is that I'll have a 5.5-hour layover in Anchorage, so I get to actually explore that because I've never been to Alaska. And I'm going to literally the most remote part of Alaska. No signal, no internet, no nothing. It's just work.
It's going to be an adventure.
It'll be an incredible adventure. And
He'll be ready to come back and work on bugs. So
Good.
I'll be tired of salmon and come back. I'll be like, let's just get back.
You better be bringing me back a frozen one or some dried ones.
I mean, look.
I know what they are.
If I could fit one this big into my carry-on, I would. But
take a gun.
Fold it up.
Because they're huge.
Ice
that big.
You better do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways,
bring me back some smoked salmon.
That should be awesome.
That's what we got going on.
Some for free because I wouldn't mind actually bringing myself some.
There you go. There you go. Well, we'll miss you. We'll be looking forward to you coming back.
Oh, I'll be back.
Awesome.
That's for sure.
That's good. All right, guys. Anything else going on?
Should we start this motor from Mr. Beccanini?
Oh, do it.
Okay, here you go. Crank her up. You might have to give her a little gas, so she should fire right up. Go ahead. We just got to do a little bit of tuning up on it. That just literally came out of the crate, so
that's pretty good.
Mr. Zaccanini, that's your 1915 there. So
there we go.
We'll be putting it in there soon, but yeah, we're gonna tune it up. Got to do a little carburetor syncing and stuff like that, and then we'll put her in the bug, and then we'll be doing all the other stuff. So
fair enough.
But,
that sounds great.
There it is. You got to hear your motor run.
Woohoo!
Mr. Chirco built that motor also. And,
good job.
But he built that motor for us. He built the one that's in Mr. Bowers now. So
that's awesome.
We're doing pretty good with Mr. Chirco.
We're loving Chirco.
Awesome. Real happy with that.
That's great. Anything else going on?
No, I think that's it.
That's about it.
Show coming up in October, right?
October 22nd?
We're looking forward to it. So basically, it's just a charity show.
Hopefully don't rain. It's all do a non-rain. do that?
I think there's a thing.
Well, it didn't rain the day of the show.
I'll Google it.
It rained like bad the day before.
Right.
It did not to rain for like a month.
Well, maybe a week.
All right, well, that's what we got going on.
That sounds pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Mabel's back in the garage. Just want to mention that for all you Mabel lovers. Pull her out of the trailer, put her back in the house.
She lives at home.
Pull her out. You can pull Puddle out too. You're gonna see Puddle in the video. I'm gonna drive Puddle through it.
All right. That's it. That's it.
All right.
Good.
You have three? All right. Goodbye.
Bye, nice people.